They're side by side coming to the last corner.
Sportello contra Sportello.
We're going to have a three-wide shootout at the line. It's a drag race. And here it happens again. What a race. Through Mandarin they go. And once more, Gunter tries to defend, but this time Lando's got the run on him. Ticktum's got the run on both of them. And through comes in the middle. Surely not. Oh, I almost thought, oh, what a big lock up there.
Daniel Ticktum gets the better of all of them.
How did he do that? The crowd went wild and Ticktum does it.
Absolutely fantastic stuff by Daniel Ticktum. Wow. And we haven't been looking at the top two for a while. And look how Habsburger's closed up on the back of the leader, Sergio Santacamera. Wow! This lap and one more to go in the 64th Macau Grand Prix, and we're up for a grandstand finish.
It just gets better and better. What a race this is turning out to be. And Sergio Santacamera, who has been third in this race and would love to give Brazil another victory. And here he comes, folks. Ferdinand Habsburg has got the run on the number 19, and Camera is a sitting duck for now. He's got to defend, and he does so through Manor. They're side by side. There's no room to do that, folks. And he's done it, though. Habsburg's done it. He's going to take the lead. And he's got to, because Camera's going to run out of road. Camera holds on, but he's got a break, and through goes Habsburg. Sensational racing again. And Camera somehow holds off. Wow.
Unbelievably brave, wheel to wheel between these two. Is that going to be the last opportunity for Habsburg?
No. This is the last lap, and Camera is holding on for dear life now as Habsburg wants this bad. Here we go. Lando Norris trying desperately to get up there, but it's going to be Habsburg trying to stop Sergio Santacamera, and there's nothing between them. They're side by side coming to the last corner. Habsburg's got him! Habsburg's got him! And Camera hits the wall! So too does Habsburg! And Daniel Ticktum wins the Macau Grand Prix! What a finish!
Number 15, Dan Neen. This is Ren Cullen section. This lad is trying, the local boy from Braddon. What's gone on there? He's got away with it. You could hear the bike going away. I'll tell you what, I don't think I've ever seen anything like that.
Oh, look at Via though. He's not been closer than this. He's going to have a lunge into the first corner. Last lap lunge coming up. Down into corner one. Javi Villa pulls out in the BMW. He's there. He's still there. Tarquini closes the door. Too late. He was alongside Gabrielli. Too late to shut the door. You need to cut in when there's no overlap. Otherwise, that is having an accident. Tarquini drifts out wide. Muller's coming around the outside. Gabrielli's online and not going to let him through. And has Villa got a puncture? Well, Villa's in third at the moment, and he's almost gone off. I think maybe just some dirt on the track or some dirt on the tyres. Here comes Tarquini. Look at the run he's got coming downhill. He's looking at the inside into corner 5. Villa's got drivers in both mirrors. More contact. Villa's got the line. Tarquini's got to shut the door into 4. Villa's gone off wide, and he's still got the lunge into 5. Oh, locks up, drifts out wide.
On the inside of
and Huff picks up 1, 2 places, and Villa's still in third. Half a lap left. Menu and Mikulits are they're nearly 14 seconds in front of this battle, and Villa in third place gets into the chicane first. I imagine the stewards will want to look at a lot of people. And waiting for them, here is Alamenu. He is going to win this race, but Norbert Mikulis is going to be on the podium. Javi Villa holds the inside line. Muller's looking at Huff for 4th, but it's going to be Villa in third place, Huff in 4th, Muller in 5th. Before they come across the line, it's all settled. And then Tarquini and Montero.
Okay, white flag. This time Chavez is going to pop to the outside, guys. What will be the strategy as Peter Dempsey in the red and white car will watch? Here comes Chavez on the outside.
He's going to wait. It looked like he was going to try and make it too wide, which would have put Karam in a tough position, but now he ducks back.
go onto the backstretch in a second.
Carlos Munoz in the 26th. Allison entry out in front, took over the lead on lap 14. Has led the last 25 laps. Here we go, side by side, head to 3.
Here's the move for Karam.
So here's Sage Karam. Now Chavez going to make it 3 wide to the outside, guys.
Woo! This is tight.
Oh, baby.
This is what people look
Through
for.
3. Oh, Karam and Munoz nearly touch. On the outside of 4, remaining 3 wide. Gabi Chavez. We're going to have a 3 wide shootout at the line. It's a drag race. At the end of it. Here comes Dempsey. Dempsey's going to go 4 wide. It's going to be Dempsey won it. Oh, Dempsey won it.
That was a 4-wide finish in Indy Lights.
Unbelievable. Got to be the greatest finish in the history of this speedway as Dempsey. Oh, maybe by 4 inches.
That looks staged.
Oh.
Mike. Look how staged that picture looks.
Limits now. Gelmini's on the wet line on the inside, but he's got the race lead. Beautiful stuff by Gelmini. He set that up a long way back, and he's gone from 6th to 1st in this race. And wow, big slide for Gelmini, gets on the wet line. It's a massive slide. If he makes the apex, that'd be unbelievable, and he does make the apex. Felice Gelmini, wow, he should be in Japan drifting with that sort of qualification.
Ed eccoci di nuovo in diretta, Dindo Capello primo, Wendlinger secondo largo, arriva di attacco interno deciso, si inserisce, pubblico in piedi per questo sportello contro sportello, grande Carl Wendlinger in uscita, ha voluto resistere a Piedone, se Piedone non vince il titolo va automaticamente ad Emanuele Naspetti, campione 1997. Nuovo attacco interno, nuovo attacco e un colpo ancora più duro. Abbiamo visto un pezzo del paraurti che si è staccato e Giovanardi ce la sta mettendo tutta, ora alla scia favorevole, attacca di nuovo, chiude la traiettoria.
Questo era il replay di prima
E c'è stato un colpo più deciso, era veramente una battaglia formidabile, è passato in seconda posizione di traverso, si intraversa, deve correggere, grandissimo numero di Piedone Giovanardi, ma reagisce Carl, chiude ora all'interno, Piedone Giovanardi alla X, senza il paraurti posteriore, attacca di nuovo al ferro di cavallo, si inserisce dentro Wendlinger e ce la fa a recuperare il terzo posto, una fase eccezionale, il numerosissimo pubblico tutto in piedi, di nuovo attacco al ferro di cavallo, vedremo poi al replay questa fase splendida, la soggettiva in diretta ci mostra quello che vede Giovanardi nel lungo rettilineo e ora proverà l'attacco, prende la scia, il contatto è stato veramente molto duro, c'è stato il distacco del paraurti, dentro Giovanardi, dentro alla parabolica, chiude di nuovo Wendlinger, sportellata, i due stanno veramente facendo numeri da brivido e passa Piedone Giovanardi, è una fase incredibile, ora di nuovo di traverso, il pilota di Sassuolo sta facendo balzare in piedi tutto il pubblico e ora di nuovo traiettoria interna, arriva a ruote bloccate Carl, trova il varco, si inserisce, chiude, Piedone non ce la fa e di nuovo Wendlinger, ma è più veloce, botta di nuovo per Wendlinger contro Giovanardi che subisce questa tamponata dove l'austriaco si fa sentire all'attacco rude del grintosissimo portacolori della rossa Alfa Nord Auto.
And look at these conditions. On the commentary box here, it's absolutely pelting it down. And there's no question about it right now that this track is almost undrivable. Wets or dries, the 52 Lotus goes up there. Robert Ross just managed. Now this is down at Knickerbrook. That's the number 8 Selena. The 9 is coming down in towards it. Oh my God, that is a massive shunt between the number 9 and the number 8 Celine. Two cars, teammate cars. Cars in the same stable, and they have made a serious contact. That is the Viper, I think, just up there. Steve Watson, number 38. The Marshal needs to be getting out of the way. And oh my God. Wow. We just hope that he's managed to be okay. And we see the Ferrari spinning off there, and he has gotten up. The Lister just getting through on its wet tires. See Mike Newton there, I think it was just running off from the number 9 car. The 55 TVR hits the Ferrari and the Celine and the Viper. Simon pulling in that car. Well, and this is Shane Lynch. Now he's going off just before the previous chicane, before we get to Hilltop, coming out of Fulston. Now we're back down here at Knickerbrook, and the TVR, the Marco, going off. The number 19 car also going off where Shane Lynch did. We can see the 57 car there, Steve O'Rourke. And this is a terrible situation. Look at that, Julian. That 79 Porsche going off with Julian. This is just unbelievable. Red flags are out there. We're on board now with Mike Newton in the number 9 car.
You can just listen. You can hear the revs just spin up. There's no grip at all, and he's just a complete passenger.
Wow, he just saw that yellow flag there on the outside, but you couldn't see that or the car down in the distance, could you?
Well, I'll tell you how that happened. Now we're on board with the Ferrari. Wow, what an impact.
Well, absolute carnage is right, and there is a lot of cleaning up work to do here as we look at Shane Lynch. They're just leaning up against the number 69 TVR. That is a very, very badly damaged Celine, and it's just a miracle that no one has been seriously hurt in these incidents. And again, a lot of work to do now.